Hello, welcome back to akaAT Studio. In this video, we'll guide you on how to use for statement for binding data. I will use the automation exercise website for this lesson. I will perform the following test. On this web page, click on Login button to go to Login screen. Here, I want to test the login function of the website by transmitting different data sets. I will use akaAT I have prepared in advance. When I have successfully logged in, I will verify display the word logged in as and then log out. That is the entire test steps that I will create in test script. Back to akaAT Studio. Here I have prepared test data, including two fields, email and password. And I also prepare the objects and object repositories that I will do. I will create new test case. I find open browser keyword and drag it into test case. Get the website's URL and paste it to the value column. I use maximize current window keyword to maximize the browser window. Once the website has opened, I will perform the step of clicking on Sign In button. To avoid the automation tool not finding the object when loading the website, I will add the wait for visible step. And set timeout is 5 seconds. Now, we'll perform the step of clicking the Sign In button. When you've been in the Sign In screen, I will need to get the email and password locator so that I can pass data from test data. I use for statement with data keyword. In for statement with data keyword allows us to pass a value as one test data object. Here, I will call the variable from test data. Variable will be the name of that test data. For the other step need to be done in loop, you need to drag and drop steps into the for statement keyword. I will take login button for using wait for visible keyword. Next, I will use the send key keyword to pass the data in email and password fields. I will rename the send keys to make it easier for you to understand. I will call the variables the corresponding columns in test data. Do the same for the password field. I will click on Login button. I will verify for visible of logged in as element. Finally, click on the Logout button. Now, I will run this test case and let's see the report. The script is done, and I have got a report. As you can see, each data round will correspond to one row of data in test data. So, I have just shown you how to bind data-driven with for statement. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.